Ito ang klase ng libro na I wish I had nung nag-start ako mag-work at nag-start mag-ipon for me to achieve my millionaire status. Kung hawak ko na yung librong ito nung bata pa ako, I should have been able to achieve my millionaire status. Kaso nga lang, I have to do the hard grind. So, I created this book to help fellow OFWs or any Filipinos out there to build their dreams and to achieve a millionaire status as well habang bata pa. This is not just any financial book na puro math lang. This is also not a boring book in investing. This is not written para sa ibang lahi or sa mga taong kumikita ng 500,000 per month. This is created for everyone, for every Filipino, gawang Pilipino para sa Pilipino. This book is for Filipinos, this is Taglish, and this is para sa mga taong gustong makaahon sa buhay. This comes with real tools, AI integration, and not just any theories. And this book is para sa iyo, and I will give this for free. No selling tactic, no upselling, just pure value para makatulong sa kapwa OFW na nagpapakahirap sa ibang bansa.